Naku, penalty ang Aram. Here comes Hollis Jefferson. Hard is all over him. The shot.
And he scores. Wow, what a tough shot. Double team and all, but he was fading away when he flipped that
Nobody's still Heruela got to it.
Oh!
Does that count?
Will they count it? Will they count it?
Yep,
Oh, yes, they count it.
They will count it. And yung
Look at that.
another
Turnovers
turnover.
again. It's going to be an easy 2 points. Here we go. Two-headed slam dunk.
20 points.
RHJ making it happen.
biggest
And the
lead.
turnovers of Meralco
Hurting them
are hurting them big time.
Yes.
Saying before this game. At ito, nakakuha pa ng deflection. Ito na naman si Hollis Jefferson. Two-headed slam jump.
Tatlo na yan, ha?
Oo.
Tatlo na yan.
Kanina nabanggit natin that TNT, despite beating Northport,